How to make an email account without phone number. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me go over a few steps on how you can make an email account without phone number. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go over through. In order to make an email account without phone number, simply proceed to open up Mail or any other options, for example Gmail or such. Now there you can proceed to add in the accounts. Right now in my case, I'll have to do it through, since I'm on iPhone, I'll have to do it through the settings here by heading into apps, heading into Mail, and if I want to add account here, you can see Mail accounts. I can tap on add accounts, then you can proceed to choose with Google account here. Now the next step is to tap on create account and proceed to create account. You want to enter in first name, last name, go through the prompts. Where it says enter in your phone number, you'll find the option skip towards the bottom of your screen. So you want to skip the phone number part and you can proceed to continue the account. However, later, if you want to verify your account, you'll need phone number. However, you can open an account easily without phone number. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.